Hello, this is July 5th. So I decided to take a trip to Aldi's for you and show you what you can do. We doing all budgets here. This is a 20, I tried to do 25. It came out to $26 haul. And this is a prep haul with items to put in your prepper's pantry. We have, let me kind of go down the actual receipt. We have 2 cream style corns. They were 54 cents each. We have 1 corned beef hash, makes for a good breakfast item, which is $2.19. We have 2 whole kernel corns. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here they go. 2 whole kernel corns, which are 57 cents. We have 1 condensed cream of mushroom for 58 cents. We have 2 cut green beans, 2 cans of cut green beans for 54 cents each. And we have 2 healthy cream of mushroom soups. They were 58 cents each. And we have 1 meat pasta sauce. They are $1.39, cheaper than Walmart. And another thing, let me tell you what happened with the Walmart pizza meat sauce. I picked it up today. I was going through the preps. I was trying to scan to see if any of the prices had changed at Walmart. And one of them, the button had popped up on the top. So let me show you. So this, check this to see if it's level. You need to rub it, make sure it's level. Because if it has been popped, it has been tampered with. So I had one jar like that. You know it's going back to Walmart. I got it sitting there waiting for my next trip to Walmart. So that's $1.39. So I think it was a penny cheaper than Walmart. Then you have the penne rotini. And this is a whole pound of pasta here. The rotini pasta, which is 92 cents. The pancake mix. This is complete buttermilk pancake mix. Just add water. And this has 16 servings. So this will feed a couple of meals if you got like 4 people to feed. And that's $1.68. And applesauce. Gotta have some fruit in our lives. Applesauce, and this is 24 ounce. And it is 5 servings. So the applesauce was $1.59, which was a good price. The peanut butter, $1.69. The quick oats, rolled oats, $2.55. The peach slices, which I got a can of peaches. Got to get some fruit in your life. Because you can make that oatmeal, put a little peaches and peach juice on top and call it breakfast and judge it up with that. And this is, 3.5 servings of peaches. It is 99 cents. And the syrup, can't have pancakes without syrup. That is $1.89. And I had 2 cans of tuna. Now, we grew up struggling. And my mama would take, for 3 people, a can or 2 of tuna. Tuna was cheap. And we did eat Miracle Whip. Some pasta. If you got an onion, cut that up. If you got relish, put that in there. Tuna macaroni salad. That used to be dinner sometime. So you can stretch this can of tuna and that box of pasta, feed your whole family if you already got mayo and stuff like that. So the 2 cans of tuna were $0.77 each. So that's $1.54 for 2. And the chicken breast, 1 can of chicken breast. This is 4 servings, good size. That was $3.19. So here we go again. I cannot reiterate more. Start with something. Find a shelf. Like, I have tall cabinets. I can't reach without a ladder, but I put them in the top cabinet. All my preps. Got a meat section. I'm not going to show it because they say that's not wise to do, and I don't believe it is too. But you see the stuff I'm buying. But as far as what I already had, none of your business. So, top, very, very top shelf up there where I can't reach. Inside the cabinet, all the top ones, I put my preps. In fact, let me can I turn the camera around while I'm recording? Let's see. Guess not. So I put my preps up in the upper cabinets. And that is, so you know these kids in the summertime, if you mean for this to be your preps, put them up there. So they won't be eating them in the summertime. But start racking it up. Applesauce can be used in baking. Applesauce is a fruit source. You know, we need this fruit in our lives. And I know I didn't get many on the last Walmart haul. So grab a fruit here, a fruit there. Cream soups can be made. I could take a cream soup, a chicken, a can of vegetables, and some pasta. Make a quick casserole. That's very good from the preps. So I'm still going to do another Doomsday Gourmet, and show you how some of these preps can be used in a situation where you only have like a stovetop, one of the little camp burners, or the little butane stoves I showed you in my Harbor Freight $0 to $50 preps. If you only had that one burner, or even if you had to put 2 bricks outside and start a fire and put a pot on them, hey, you got to do what you got to do in a situation. But how you can take these preps and cook them up and you still think you feel kind of satisfied with what you eating. So check out my first Doomsday Prep video, my can of disappointment video. I'll link that above. But I do hope that this is benefiting someone, that someone is seeing how they can start prepping. If you got $20 extra, $25 extra, even if you got $5, $6, go get 10 extra canned goods. Aldi's 52 cents. Go get 20 canned goods for $10. 20 canned goods for $10.40. You made one step toward prepping. You got something on the shelf in a bad time. Look, breakfast, corned beef hash, breakfast for dinner if you have to, corned beef hash, grits. Oh, I didn't even get the grits. Did she ring the grits? Quick grits. I didn't get that one. $1.34 for the quick grits. So you got grits. You got corned beef hash. Dinner. Here you go. In a hard situation, just pancakes, syrup, breakfast. You got something if you're in a bad situation. So I do hope I help somebody with this. I may actually donate this to somebody I know, but if they need it, I'm going to call them and see. But I just wanted to show you how $26 can make a difference. You got 22 items for your pantry. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Chat it up in the comments below. I got another doozy coming out to you. It might come out before this one. But this world is making me want to holler, I tell you. I want to actually pull up the song. What's that, Marvin Gaye? Make you want to holler? I mean, this world is just out of control. But it's still hope. It's still hope, and we can really fight this by being prepared. Every time I leave the house, I get disgusted. I get more and more disgusted. I get more and more stressed. So I think I'm going to color. The other day I was coloring. I'm going to insert my last picture I colored. I think I need to color and have me a glass of wine tonight and just kind of breathe and decompress. Because every time I step out this house, it upsets me more and more. But just realize hope is still here. Pray, because there is a higher power that is in control of all of this. And the chickens will come home to roost. I promise you they will. It's going to end soon. It's going to end soon. And if you know how to survive, you're going to be on top of it all. So I do wish everybody the best. Hope I helped someone with this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.